Hey guys, this is me Pile. In today's video, I am going to show you how to change Instagram password without old password. Some people have forgotten their Instagram password. So go ahead and open your Instagram app and log in into your account. After that, tap on the profile icon at the right bottom corner of your screen. At your profile page, tap on three horizontal lines at top right corner of your screen. Then tap on settings. In settings, tap on security. Here you see a bunches of options. Click on password. Basically, once you are here, you have no other option if you have forgotten your Instagram password. So what you want to do, show you here. I take you to go back again. Once you are here, go down, all the way down to log out. Log out from your Instagram. So once you are here, I want to log in one more time. Since you have forgotten your old password and you want to change your password, so then click on forget. And here you can see an option send an email. Tap on it. The email has been sent. Now check this. Here tap on reset your password. Type your new password. Enter your new password again. After that, tap on done. So your password has been changed without old password. So this was a process by which you can change your Instagram password without old password.